So obviously, again, when we're talking about Darwin, we really look at quality because Darwin's harsh environment can go from 38, 40 degrees, the humidity, and then it can go to the dry season where we get very cool mornings. So the temperature is consistently changing in Darwin and it's quite harsh. Today we're out at Adelaide River. We've got a solar bore pump we've installed recently to go around 34 metres deep to supply water to the paddock out here. Yeah, so Darwin's temperature obviously, or Darwin's environment, I guess, is quite harsh. It changes from humidity, from the dry season to the wet season. So basically when we design a system, our number one priority is to design it around quality. So top of the range quality, and we've paired it today with a Grundfos pump. So both two really quality components, which basically give Doug peace of mind that he's going to have this for a long time without having any issues. Look, massive savings, and it's not just about the savings, it's about basically the care for his cattle. He knows that his cattle are getting water every day. He doesn't have to worry about days and days without getting water, and also brings a bit of greenery to the place as well, which is great for Doug.
That means extra cheap water for me. That's no power going to it, so it's all solar, and while the sun's shining, we got free water. Well, my bills probably dropped by, I'd say, up to 2/3, like power bill, so yeah, I'm happy with it.
Agricultural plays a big part in what we do. We really like the opportunity that's coming up in agricultural, helping the farmers. They're doing it tough at the moment, but if we are able to help by solar bore pumps or solar air conditioners or just solar power, that's what we'd like to do as well.